go up and work on the room. That one you have already. I can't ready to start going up there. I mean, you have a plan, so you come and set them over compass. And then I will come in this house, I know. Come and put that thing right there. There's one room already. This is the room, the bathroom, and the kitchen. This is the back, that's it. This is the kitchen. So everybody have their own in the kitchen.
Okay.
And this is the bathroom. So now you see the bathroom. The bathroom ready, man. You're going to take me and see my mouth. I'll start the water out that door.
I love it, man. I love it.
This bathroom ready, everything is flush. Running water. Everything working.
Pump, the only thing you'll get a hot water heater later.
They have that too, man.
It hot?
No, me not
Turn it on yet, but you have it.
They have it down there, man. Everything, man. See, they look in there, so you see. See that water heater there. Oh, see back there.
Okay.
Everything working, man. Hot water heater. See that water. Me have the other one. Me not working.
This is one of the first in Norway.
Mm-hmm.
And your bath and thing, you got hot water and everything. A luxury Jamaica, see that? When you come to Norway, when you go and stay here. Start saving the money.
Everything.
Start saving the money, Mr.
Everything.
And I have one kitchen and thing. Wow, I love it. It feels like
Hello?
just love it.
Hello? What happened, man? Kitchen. Look at kitchen. They can't cook their own food like how you have them. They cook. They don't have cook.
Then you go out on the balcony. What are you going to call this room? The Jonathans? Give me it have to have a name, man. So, Jamaica Good Life. There's Jonathan. This is going to be, in order to visit Baba, you're going to have a luxurious room. You're going to have your own kitchen. You're going to have your own kitchen. The bathroom is already near finished. This is going to be your bathtub and everything, right? You're staying at Jonathan's. And this is going to be your bedroom, right? And you have access from the bedroom to the balcony. And of course, you're going to enter from here later on when everything is in place. So we're moving up production so you could get to see Norway. And this is the living room where you're gonna have your flat panels and stuff on the walls. This is a nice space and it's very private and very secure. So with your loved ones, you can, when you with your loved ones, you know, you have your view and everything, and you drink your wine over here and you barbecue and thing.
One more room like that, and then there's a couple of rooms, you know?
Yes, So you're gonna make an entrance at the side. What's this? This is one of the entrance?
No, that's not my entrance. This is a different part.
It's a different part, okay.
But the entrance back to the house here, this is the entrance here.
Love the vision.
You got your own everything, your own laptop. You left your money in your safe, everything is my safe over there.
You're gonna put a safe in there.
So you come, you can lock up your thing there, you know? Your keys, your safe.
Jamaica, this is your view in the morning. Running water, heat, everything. You're good. You have a nice big king size.
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi? Yeah. You're gone big, man. So now this is the living room. Wow. So you say a door gonna be here?
Yeah,
So I go lock it out. So they will have to enter from there.
Yeah.
Good.
This apart.
So you lock, seal off.
Nobody can come in there. You have the key. security more.
You know, so me have to be one of the first or second or third person to stay here. Because me have to go get the seal of approval.
Anything you see, come on and see your truck can come on. Anything you see.
How you like how the dream come true?
That come true, man. The dream, the far was that come, you know. Coming through well, you know. Still have a lot. But
Well, your father must be proud of you.
yeah, man. Happy, you know. Proud of the whole of we, you know,
And
cause
the other brothers are just a good, proud family.
yeah.
Well, we proud of you because you put Norway upon the map. You never run go nowhere. You stay right here, so.
We look at thing, entertainment we give them. Anything they want, we just make them happy, man. The people them are show thanks to, cause you know we don't see no bad face. Everybody will show them bad face, them come round, you know. You know some people have some bad face more while, you know, but nowadays everybody happy. If they're not happy with me, them have to be happy, cause you know the way they look. You know everybody not gonna happy for you, but two of them look, them have to blend in, you know. Them have to blend in, you know. Yeah, man.
This is the dream, Jamaica. This is Jamaica Good Life. Here's a story of the son of a man who just deal with goodness, and the people that work hard, and Jonathan keep working hard, and see, no crime, no foolishness, as the man's father said. Just goodness from his mother and father. Go church, and him father left with a donkey. You know, him tell the whole story, and now you come out now and you do good, and your children will do the best. Give thanks, yes, sir.
Big up.
Big up.
Family.
Jamaica Good Life, sir.
Yeah, man. Jamaica Good Life.
This
you
is
know?
Jamaica Good Life headquarters, you know, people. Because, here what? When you come Jamaica, we want to show you the best life. And you're going to have it in one of the most peaceful places in Norway. And you're going to live nice and easy. Get some nice herbs, some nice things to drink. And you to I'll get some good food from Baba. So this is it.